Enjoy your next road trip more when you have this mini battery. Or what about skincare treatment device? Well, stick around till the end to see what I'm talking about. All the links to the products are in the description window. Hillsound BTR Ultralight Camping Tool. When you sit on an outdoor seat, it's important that you feel secure and comfortable. Fortunately, the Hillsound BTR Ultralight Camping Stool is built with Phantom Lock technology to secure the legs when suspended. This provides stability as you sit, while still allowing the legs to easily retract when it's time to pack up. Furthermore, this ultralight camping stool uses aluminum alloy poles for incredible durability during use. In fact, it's strong enough to hold up to 240 pounds. Another impressive feature of this stool is its compact design. Redo It Spa Skincare Treatment Device. Incorporate the Redo It Spa Skincare Treatment Device into your beauty routine to maximize the results. It uses sonic pulsations to improve product absorption and evenly distribute formulas. This beauty gadget also uses ultrasonic diffusion to enable the perfect spread of formulation and amplify the effects of ingredients. In fact, this action disperses droplets 50 times smaller than traditional mist applications, so your skin will absorb products without leaving a residue. Additionally, it includes a magnetic misting action. This action enhances fine film creation and ingredient delivery to leave you with smoother and softer skin. Delter Portable Coffee Press. If you want coffee on the go, the Delter Portable Coffee Press is for you. Weighing less than 250 grams, this accessory is great for enjoying coffee on the go on camping trips, walks, or picnics. It features a unique seal to prevent any unwanted agitation of the coffee bed during brewing. This process results in a brew with reduced bitterness and locked-in flavor. And using an injection brewing method keeps the water and coffee separate until you start the brewing process. Furthermore, this portable coffee press is easy to use and requires minimal maintenance. Raise the plunger to create the exact amount of water for your brew. When you finish, simply rinse it with water, so it'll be ready for next time. Canon PowerShot Zoom. See all the sights on your next hike, at a sporting event, or even at the zoo with the Canon PowerShot Zoom Compact Telephoto Monocular. This camera gadget has a button that enables you to switch from 100mm optical straight to a 400mm optical. Furthermore, it also provides 800mm digital for objects that are even farther away. Also, the autofocus with face tracking technology helps you stay on your subject so you won't miss a moment. Moreover, this monocular has a 12-megapixel CMOS sensor that lets you capture full HD 30p video and still images. Make sure you smash that super thanks button if you enjoyed this video. Samsonite Combi Business Backpack. Samsonite's not just in the business of making luggage. We're in the business of building confidence. Confidence that when you step off the curb, your luggage wheel isn't going to pop off. Confidence that if you put your laptop in the bag in one piece, that's the way it'll come out. Samsonite has set an industry precedence by perfecting and innovating luggage, casual bags, backpacks, travel accessories, and now electronics carriers and laptop bags. Over 100 years of reliability, durability, style, and innovative functionality have made Samsonite's iconic product. Native Union Smart International PD Chargers. Get ready to make your next trip abroad easier than your last with the Native Union Smart International PD 18-watt and 20-watt chargers. These universal chargers have both a USB-A port and a USB-C port to charge virtually any device. Along with international adapters, these wall chargers let you plug in and power up wherever you are. Plus, since they're lightweight and compact, these international wall chargers pack up easily. Whether you're backpacking or on a luxurious vacation, this smart charger will go unnoticed until you need it. Furthermore, The 20-watt version charges 2 devices up to 20 watts simultaneously, and both versions support power delivery for high-speed charging. That means you won't ever have to waste time tied to an outlet. Greater Goods Digital Luggage Scale. Tired of the stress of weighing your suitcase at an airport? The Greater Goods Digital Luggage Scale lets you weigh your luggage up to 110 pounds, so there aren't any nasty surprises during check-in. Featuring a durable nylon strap that easily hooks around any bag handle, it accommodates luggage up to 110 pounds. It then displays the reading on a screen in either pounds or kilograms. Best of all, it begins measuring luggage automatically, so you don't need to struggle awkwardly holding everything to switch it on. Moreover, the digital luggage scale features a slim design for easy storage when you're traveling. All the while, the scale grips are perfectly placed, so you won't drop your bags and damage the contents during the weigh-in. Lion Mini Battery and Solar-Powered Car Freezer. Enjoy your next road trip more when you have the Lion Mini Battery and Solar-Powered Car Freezer. Operating anywhere from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, it keeps your drinks and snacks frozen or chilled while you're on the go. Using ice-free technology, it fits conveniently in your car and stays right by your side as you drive. Moreover, it charges via solar, DC, and AC for convenience. With a built-in 193 watt-hour power bank, it lets you charge your devices while you're out and about as well. When fully charged, it operates up for 15 hours, which is ideal for a long day of driving, so you can avoid unnecessary stops for a cold drink to perk you up. Finally, its large volume of up to 28 liters holds all your essential drinks and foods. The Laundry Alternative. Wire-free mini washer is perfect for travel, camping, or an apartment. This washer is intended to clean small items in under 2 minutes. Each load of laundry can clean up to 1 large bath towel and has 5-pound capacity. The manual crank operation uses no electricity and 90% less water than the standard machine, which reduces your footprint on the environment. Please note that this product does not have a spin cycle. Best washer for woolens, silks, knits, cashmere, and other delicate garments. It does not have an agitator that can snag your clothes, making your favorite items last longer. Put the lid on and turn clockwise to fasten. While holding the lid firmly in place, push the lever down. A tight seal is necessary to prevent leaking. The suction cups are meant as an aid and do not prevent 100% movement. DJL Pocket 2 Tiny Stabilizing Camera. Totally small and portable, the DJL Pocket 2 Tiny Stabilizing Camera manages to provide high-quality images. Whether you're taking still photos or long videos, this DJL camera lets you do it with just one hand. Because it has 3-axis stabilizing camera and Active Track 3.0 technology, the DJL Pocket 2 makes it easy to capture footage on the go, and it ensures that the subjects stay in the shot. Furthermore, with 2 panorama modes, 180 degrees and 3x3, it lets you get an entire coastline or the perfect group selfie. If you're branching out into movie making, use story mode video and music templates to make short films.